The era of manual labor is dead. In 2026, the elite don't work for money. We build autonomous systems that print it. Today, I am deploying the 2026 AI Cash Flow Matrix. 5 high-ticket assets, 1 goal: absolute sovereignty. First, the brain. We don't just use AI, we engineer it. By leveraging high-performance workstations like the Razer Blade 16 with NVIDIA RTX 4090, we run Jasper and Claude 3.5 in a neural loop. This isn't just a laptop. It's a high-frequency trading desk for digital assets. Control is everything. The Elgato Stream Deck MK2 is our command bridge. Every complex AI prompt, every SEO workflow, mapped to a single tactile touch. Zero friction, maximum output. Audio is the foundation of trust. Using the Shure SM7B, integrated with Adobe Podcast's neural reconstruction, we synthesize studio-grade perfection. In 2026, if you don't sound like an authority, you don't exist. Visual authority is engineered, not accidental. The Logitech LitraBeam LX provides cinematic spectrum control. Dual-sided RGB logic that commands attention and defines your professional aesthetic. Finally, the vault. Never rent space on the cloud when you can own the Citadel. The Synology DS923 Plus ensures local data sovereignty. Your assets, your speed, your empire. Secure. Permanent. The blueprint is live. The links are ready. Stop watching the future and start owning it. Visit realrskworld.blogspot.com. Deploy the Matrix now.